What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a range test today with the DJI Neo 2 and the goggles and the motion controller. We got clear skies today, 15-kilometer wind gusts, and I'm flying directly into the wind right now. It's always good to do that so the wind could carry you back in case you get low on battery. And this drone holds about 15 to 20 minutes of flight time, well, 15 to 18 minutes, depending on the wind. But right now I'm flying in sport mode, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna reach that long. Here we go, almost 400 kilometers. You can see the height and distance I'm at on the bottom left of the screen there on the goggle view. Check out that sunset though. Always good to fly into the wind, so then when you're returning from your range test, the wind could carry you back. See, I'm flying over a lot of like a woods, like a jungle area, vegetation, so it'd probably be very difficult for me to get my drone if it fell in there. So definitely don't want to do that. And we're just over 900 meters, almost a full kilometer. And I'm about 115 meters high. Just over a kilometer now. We've got good signal. Here we go. 1.2 kilometers. Signal's starting to get weak though. Might have to just stop right here. Don't want to lose signal totally. Almost 1.3 kilometers. But this is also really close to the Ultramar ferry. I wonder if their radio signals like hurts mine. Maybe that's why I don't have such a good signal. Let me just look around here. Look at the beautiful view. This is Puerto Juarez and Playa del Nino. Okay, I'm getting the low battery notification here. The system knows I'm pretty far and I still have to get back to where I'm at, which is the home point, so better start turning back now. Enjoy the view as we go back. Somebody made a little tree house or something over there in the middle of the woods. It's pretty cool. I have to fly my drone from there. Let me see if I could get one more nice shot of the sunrise here. It's pretty awesome. Alrighty, heading back. Getting signal interference here. Trying to shake it off. Alright, that's it. Quick little range test, guys. Let me know what you think. I think if I'm in like a desert or a place where there's not many houses and trees, I think I'd have a lot better signal. And I think I'd be able to get over 2 kilometers. I'm gonna go see if I could find some other places. I want to do more range tests at different locations. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.